Hi and welcome, I'm Tracy from Tracy Creates Dishes. Let's make some fried ice cream. First step is to get some store-bought ice cream. I place cling wrap onto the scales and weigh the ice cream to just over 100 grams. Pull the corners of the cling wrap to the centre of the ice cream and gently squish the ice cream to form a solid ball. For this recipe, I made 4 serves of deep fried ice cream. Place the ice cream into the freezer to firm for a minimum of 1 hour. On to make a slurry to coat the ice cream. We need 1/4 cup of icing sugar, 1/2 cup of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and some water between 1 to 200 ml. Place the flour, icing sugar, vanilla extract into a mixing bowl. Add small amounts of water, then whisk the slurry. It needs to have a ribbon texture. Onto the crumbs. Place 4 cups of cornflakes into a blender. Pulse until cornflakes look like breadcrumbs. Grab your ice cream from the freezer. Unwrap and place in the slurry. Coat well, then drain the excess slurry and place the ice cream into the cornflake crumbs. Place the ice cream ball back into the slurry mixture and coat. Drain excess and crumb again. Place on a freezable container and freeze for a minimum of 4 hours. Put some oil in a saucepan, enough to cover the ice cream balls. Heat to 180 degrees Celsius. Gently place crumbed ice cream balls into the oil for about 10 seconds until the crumbs are crisp and crunchy. Drain excess oil. Put deep fried ice cream onto a plate or a bowl and decorate if desired. In the comments below, tell me what you would decorate your deep fried ice cream with. I really hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.